Welcome back, you guys, to another vlog. We have something very special for you guys today. Obviously, we say that every video because it's special to us and we're sharing it with you.
This is what's special. Ta-da, there's the video right there.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Anyway, so Clayton here did a video, I don't know, like 9 months ago? Or like a year?
6 months, 9 months ago.
Or something like that. Of a shop tour. So all of our cars and kind of like a quick tour of the shop.
Garage tour, yeah, to show off all of our cars and what we got going on and the status of each of them.
Yeah, and I've gotten a couple messages here and there asking for an updated garage tour. So that's what we're gonna give to you guys today. So we're gonna start outside with the
all the dailies and work vehicles.
All the dailies and work vehicles. Let's go. Sal, are you gonna give the tour of the outside vehicles? If not, you gotta move.
So right off the bat, we have our Ford Transit. So you guys know we own this wrap shop here, Summit Auto Lab, but we also own a business called Summit Auto Detailing, which is a mobile detailing service here in the Park City area. We have our 2 Ford Transit vans right here. They're not looking their best right now, don't judge us. We just got a snowstorm like yesterday or something. So they're covered in like road salt, everything like that, but we have a 2013, I always forget, 2013 Ford Transit Connect and then a 2010 Ford Transit Connect. This one's mine, it's just got some decals on the side there, Summit Auto Detailing decals. This one's wrapped in like a half and half geometric camo type wrap. So we bought them both for $6,000 each. You guys remember that from our last garage tour video. Nothing has really changed except the mileage is way higher on them now because they're out and about every single day. Now I'm gonna have Faith show you the dailies.
Oh, right, so we got 2 dailies and then just one random car that isn't ours. But first off, we've got the Jeep XJ. Now this isn't really a daily, but it's Clayton's
daily right now.
For now and before he gets, until he gets his truck that he wants.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna add a truck to our fleet probably within the next 6 months. Good luck guessing what it is, but I already have it all picked out and everything. Don't you guys worry.
Okay. I'm sure they're very worried.
They're very worried.
Anyways, right here we have a 99 XJ. If you guys are new to the channel, you can go back a few videos and see where this Jeep XJ came from. Our good friend James, the Stradman, actually gifted this to us as a wedding present, and we're still extremely thankful for it. We actually have a Moab trip coming up pretty soon.
Yeah. You guys want to come with us to Moab?
Yes,
because we're going to take this.
They don't have a choice. So this is a 99 Jeep XJ. It's completely built out for Moab. We did a huge detail on it a few videos ago. You can check that out too. But yeah,
dirty again.
It's dirty because it's used every day.
So we have a lot of cool ideas for this Cherokee right here. In fact, last night late I didn't film it because it really wasn't that entertaining. I put new speakers in the doors here, which made it a lot more bearable to drive around. I have a lot more fun ideas for this to get it prepped for April. April is the Moab Jeep Jamboree, which we plan on taking this. Do you guys want to watch us tinker around with this? It's not a very like high-end, really cool car, but it is a sick car for off-roading. Do you guys want to watch us slowly work on the Jeep XJ? Let us know in the comments below. All right, next up is my daily, but Clayton drives it just as much. You drive it more. My daily, one of my pride and joys is the newly wrapped Jeep SRT. We got this 3 months ago or so. Yeah, we sold the big Dodge Ram Mega Cab
for this bad boy because the truck wasn't really.
The truck was awesome.
It was awesome, but it didn't make sense.
Yeah.
And Park City is small, so this is what we've got here. So if you look with me in the door jambs, this car is originally silver. You can see right here. So it's originally silver. We just got done wrapping it. This KPMF black to red iridescent, and I'm still very much in love with the color. Update on the wheels, those are going black. I say that every video, but I promise it's gonna happen. So the specs on this car is it's a 2014. It's got a lot of miles on it because yeah, 106. But it still kicks. It still just runs just like new. I love this thing. It's very enjoyable to drive, and we just did a muffler delete, so it's even louder. And who do you expect to get out of this car is what I would like to know, because it's me that I get out of that car. And this is not ours. So, all right, on to the inside where we have our 2 specialty cars. All right, you want to talk about yours?
Oh yeah, okay.
All right.
You guys, hand the camera over. Okay, so this is my 2008 Porsche Cayman S that is in the process of being wide-bodied with the Pandem V2 wide-body kit. And at the end of the video, I actually have some special announcements regarding this build. I finally got like 90% of my air ride components in, and I'm gonna lay them all out and tell you what I picked and why. And once we get back from our Thanksgiving trip, which should be next week, we're gonna start tearing into that and getting it on air with the new wheels, the new tires, the air ride suspension. Then we gotta start planning some other stuff. Anyways, this is the 2008 Porsche Cayman S. I bought it a year and a half ago, something like that, and it's got 117,000 miles, something like that. And it's still running really, really good. So as you guys can see, the Pandem wide body kit is not painted yet. That is on the to-do list. And yes, I'm going to be painting it first. Even though I own a wrap shop, yes, I'm going to be painting it because that's how you do it properly. I'm gonna be painting it black. My scheme is gonna be all black with my black wheels, and they have like a copper lip to the multi-piece wheels. It's going to look insane. I can't wait to show you guys that. So we have to paint all these, the side skirt here, going like this. Oh, I have a motorcycle here. A lot of you guys have wanted to know what this is. So this is a 1978 Yamaha Virago 750. They're not super common, but it is a V-twin 750cc Yamaha motorcycle. It has like a skeleton type frame, so the frame is only on top. The frame bars don't go underneath like a lot of US spec motorcycles. And another cool thing is it's actually shaft driven right here. There's no chain. Really, really cool. So when I bought the motorcycle, it ended up looking like this. It looked definitely like a late 70s, early 80s motorcycle. It looked hideous. So I stripped it all down to just the frame and the motor, and then I rebuilt it. I got rid of the rear suspension. I lowered it about 1.5 inches in the back, 1 inch in the front. So now it's a hardtail bobber. There's no suspension in the rear. I painted a lot of stuff, made it like more stealthy, stuff like that. I actually welded everything myself. They're not very pretty, don't judge me on that. I welded my own handlebars. But the catch with this is it hasn't ran in like 3 years. But it's on the to-do list when I'm not working, when I'm not building my wide-body Cayman, when I'm not building my wife's Ferrari F430, when I'm not wrapping her SRT. Man, we got lots of stuff to do. But that will be started and running by spring. I'll promise you guys that. So that's enough about the motorcycle. The Cayman, the build will progress right after Thanksgiving. I can also promise you guys that, but I'm gonna hand the camera back over to Faith, and she's gonna tell you about the Ferrari.
Hey. Okay, so this is my pride and joy, my 2007 Ferrari F430 that we have had for I think 2.5 months now, and those 2 months have been fantastic. So it is black on black. We've got black wheels, black paint, and full black interior, black stitching. If you can't tell, we really like black cars. Yeah. There's something about a murdered out car that is just so cool to me. Also, we didn't do this on purpose, but both the Cayman and the Ferrari match with their red calipers.
No, we planned it.
No, we didn't. We didn't. So first steps first with this. There is actually no first step. We're just pretty much doing what we can with the time that we have. On the list of things to do with this is full body PPF. We've taken this places and we noticed people really like to touch this car, which scares the crap out of me. So full body PPF is in the works. In the works, an exhaust. We're shopping around for exhaust right now because
they're very expensive. So we gotta pick the right one, make sure it's perfect. But we'll bring you guys, of course we're gonna be installing it. So we'll bring you guys along with the install of the exhaust.
I mean, it sounds really good, but I want it louder.
Oh yeah. Well, we have James to compete with now.
Yeah, with his challenge.
Just bought a 430 challenge car.
No,
it's gonna blow us out of the water.
He keeps showing us up. Anyways, so that is in the works. Is a new exhaust. We got to do spacers in the tires to make it look a little bit more flush, if you know what I mean. This also has the F1 transmission, which is, not to sound cheesy, but it's so immersive when you're driving. It like shifts the whole car, and it's just so like, it's not a gated manual, which we definitely cannot afford that, but it's still super fun to drive, and I think it's just absolutely awesome. A lot of you are wondering how much we actually bought this for. So we got it with 34,000 miles. It's a 2007, black on black, and it's got the F1 transmission, not manual, and we got it for 85,000, which Looking around the whole United States, we were looking for a while, and this was honestly one of the best options, especially because it was right here in Salt Lake City, so we could go see it. And what do you know, I'm in love with it, and I'm so glad we made this purchase, and I really cannot wait for what's to come for it. Last but not least, we have what's called the Sal. He is a 2016 Brindle Merle Frenchie model. Specs are, he goes about, I don't know, 7 miles per hour on a good day. His exhaust is a little loud and sometimes kind of stinky, but that's okay. I think it was one of the best purchases I've ever made. He is just a complete package, and he makes our garage whole. So that pretty much completes our garage tour. Welcome to the shop, if you guys are new. We also have a Q&A video coming up, so if you guys have any questions about any of the cars that we listed here, or anything about us or the businesses, whatnot, leave your questions down below and we'll see if we can get to them in the next video, so stay tuned for that as well. I'm going to turn the camera around so Clayton can show you his new stuff that he's very excited about. Okay.
While Faith was telling you about the Ferrari F430, I was getting out all of the air ride suspension components that I have so far. The only thing that I'm missing is compressors, but those are coming in a couple days. I'm just really excited to show you guys. Today's video has nothing to do with air ride or the build, but I just really want to show you guys. Boom, we have our air tank. Right now, it's just this like sandblasted aluminum. Cannot wait. All right, so we got that. Boom. Right here we have our air management, and we went with Airlift P3 air management. Airlift Performance.
Instructions.
So there's the management computer and valves, and then here's a little controller. All right, in future videos, we're gonna unbox this, go through it all. Anyways, that's the management. In this box right here, we have an extra harness because I'm gonna be running a dual compressor setup, so that way I can compress the air quicker and go up and down more times. Yellow Speed Racing was so nice, they were able to custom make me a set of their air suspension coilovers for the Cayman. Dude, it's gonna be so good. So this is Yellow Speed Racing. They don't really offer these for the Cayman, but I was able to smooth talk my way into a custom set. And has full camber support with like race dampening. You got like hard and soft settings, all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, so that's the future of the Cayman build coming. I'm hoping to have it all painted on air and everything by New Year's.
You guys,
I think we can do that.
You keep reminding him that that's his goal.
Keep reminding me every video, say Cayman build, Cayman build, Cayman build, because it gets easily put on the back burner.
But thank you guys so much for watching our garage tour updated version.
Updated version.
2.0.
2.0.
Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for our Q&A video, which should be going up in a few days.
Next one, yeah.
We're really excited to film that for you guys, so leave any questions that you have for us in the comments below, and we will see you there.
Peace.